Hi, welcome to the second of our short introduction videos. These are videos that you kind of need to watch to understand some of the notations and algorithms that we're going to use later. In this one, we are actually going to learn what does algorithm mean and what do those letters mean when we tell you to move the cube a certain way. Okay, as always, we're going to use this cool Lego cube to show you how we're going to write down the instructions of how to solve the cube. And so in order to teach you more about those, we're going to build some cool stuff that can stick on there. And so it's building time! Okay, so what's really important to know about the cube is that we're going to kind of name each side, but the name of each side depends on how you're looking at it. So from your point of view, basically, right now, this white is at the bottom and kind of always will be the way that we solve it, and the yellow is at the top, right? What we're going to do is to say that the blue is front to you right now, but if you turn the cube, then a different color could be front. But right now, if blue is front, then that's an F, right? And if yellow is up or top, that's a U, right? And if white is bottom or down, that's a D, okay? And we have your right side here, and we have your left side here, and we have your back side here. Not literally. Okay, so when we stick these things onto the cube, as you can see, that's kind of the way that you should think of your cube, that the side facing you is the front and the side on top is a U. Now, when we ask you to turn a side one way, I need you to think of each side as having a clock on it. I need you to think of each side as having a clock, because the way that we turn a cube is 90 degrees or one movement, clockwise or counterclockwise. And that's how we're going to teach you how to move the cube. So when blue is front to you, as you can see there, if I ask you to move the front side clockwise, you're going to move it like that. And counterclockwise is like that. It gets a little bit confusing when I ask you to move the left side or the right side, because left side clockwise is this way, but right side clockwise is that way, because that's the way a clock moves when you're looking at the face dead on. If you can imagine a little clock like this on each side, then that will really help you to know which direction to move the face in. If we say F, then you'll move F. If we say F prime, with a little dash there, then it's F prime is this way, counterclockwise. Yeah, just one time, one time, one turn, one turn. And that goes for every single face too. When I say D, we mean this bottom one has to go this way. And D prime is this way. Those are the kinds of notations that we're going to use in our videos, and they're going to help you to solve the cube.